Is your Telegram app hogging precious storage on your phone? If you've noticed your device running low on space and Telegram is the culprit, don't worry, you're not alone. In this tutorial, we'll walk through a quick and effective fix for Telegram taking up too much storage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear Telegram's cached data and free up space, all without losing your important chats or media. So let's jump right in and take back control of your phone's memory. Alright, first up, let's talk about why Telegram can end up using so much of your phone's space. Whenever you view photos, videos, or files in Telegram, the app stores local copies right on your device. These files make media load faster the next time you open a chat, but over time they can pile up and eat away at your storage, even if you're not saving them manually. Luckily, Telegram puts all of these in a cache, which can be deleted safely without actually removing anything from your account or the cloud. All your photos, videos, and documents will stay in Telegram's cloud, so you can always re-download them whenever you need. Ready to clean things up? Let's start by opening the Telegram app on your phone. Now, don't worry if you haven't explored the settings before, I'll guide you step by step. Once you've got Telegram open, look for the gear icon or the settings option. This is usually in the bottom right corner if you're on iOS, or in the side menu on Android. Tap into settings and you'll see a bunch of options popping up. Take your time here, it's easy to miss, but you're looking for data and storage. Once you're in data and storage, you'll find a section called storage usage. Go ahead and tap that, and you'll see a breakdown of how much space Telegram is using on your phone. This insight can be pretty eye-opening. Sometimes it's gigabytes of cached photos and videos that you don't even realize are there. Now, to clear things up, look for the button that says Clear Telegram Cache. This is your gateway to freeing up all that space in just a few seconds. When you tap Clear Telegram Cache, Telegram will give you a useful prompt showing exactly how much space you can reclaim. You might be surprised by the size, maybe it's megabytes, maybe it's several gigabytes depending on how active you are. Before you confirm, just remember, clearing the cache doesn't delete anything from your conversations or from the cloud. If you open a chat and scroll back to an old video or photo, Telegram will just download it again when you need it. If you're ready, tap Clear or Clear Cache to confirm. This part might take a few moments depending on how much is stored, but be patient, it's working in the background to free up your phone's internal memory. And that's it. Super simple, right? You've now reclaimed space from Telegram without risking your precious messages or media. If you find your storage gets full again in the future, just repeat these steps whenever needed. As a helpful tip, you can periodically check Telegram's storage usage every few weeks if you use the app a lot, keeping your phone running smoothly like a freshly cleaned desk. Thanks a ton for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want tips for other apps, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And for more easy tech tutorials, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss the next guide. See you soon.